different cute.
So today's photo shoot is literally about colour, most of the colour blue and a bit of silver. That's what we're going to do. So I've got a light hitting the ceiling. I've got an octobox that's gridded so it only hits her. A little bit of like, I don't know, mylar, I think it is. It's probably not. It's like tabletop foil. Crumpled up because I want the texture on the ground. And then that tarpaulin plastic sheeting behind. And hopefully what will happen is the blue light will hit up and then just bounce occasionally over that plastic. That's the idea. Whether it works, who knows? But let's go.
Now, some of you might not know what shutter drag is. It's essentially using your shutter to stay open longer so it captures more of the ambient light. And in here you can see I've got a constant light. So the flash is going to freezer, but then the ambient light allows me to either move or the model move to do this drag. And I've put the settings on here because I think it's really important. Obviously, you need to play around with them, but that's essentially what it is. And I think it gives a nice ghost effect. Could have done shutter drag all day, but I wanted to show you the versatility. So if you will just say the light bouncing up into the ceiling gives us that blue accent light, and then there's just the octobox there, and the light bounces all around the white walls, but also the silver of the backdrop and the flooring. She did so well, but that glitter on that suit got everywhere, and I do spend a lot of time in retouch trying to sort that out. However, it looks really good, and I think they're really nice images. You can see the blue hitting her in places that make it really unusual, make it stand out. I love that the color tone is a cool palette, but her skin's nice and warm. She did an amazing job, but when doesn't she? She's Naomi. She's an incredible model. All equipment will be detailed below, but from me and Naomi, thanks for watching.